A research proposal for a title related to English literature typically follows a standard structure that includes the following sections. 1. Title page. The title page should include the title of the research proposal, the name of the researcher, the institutional affiliation, the name of the supervisor or guiding faculty member, and the date of submission. 2. Introduction. Provide an introduction to the research topic, including a brief background of the study, the significance of the research problem, and the purpose of the research. Clearly state the research question or objective that the study aims to address. 3. Literature review. Conduct a comprehensive review of the existing literature related to the research topic. Summarize key theories, concepts, and previous studies that are relevant to the research question. Identify gaps or limitations in the existing literature that the proposed study will address. 4. Research methodology. Describe the research methodology that will be used to conduct the study. This section should outline the research design, data collection methods, sampling procedures, and data analysis techniques to be employed in the research. Justify why the chosen methodology is appropriate for the study. 5. Research plan. Provide a detailed timeline or research plan that outlines the sequence of activities to be carried out during the research process. Include milestones, deadlines, and key deliverables that will guide the progress of the study. 6. Expected outcomes. Discuss the expected outcomes or findings of the research study. Explain how the research results will contribute to the existing body of knowledge in the field of English literature and address the research question or objective. 7. Significance of the study. Highlight the significance and implications of the proposed research study. Explain how the research findings could potentially impact scholarly debates, practical applications, or future research directions in the field of English literature. 8. References. Provide a list of all the references cited in the research proposal using a consistent citation style, such as APA, MLA, Chicago, etc. Ensure that all sources are properly referenced and acknowledged. 9. Appendices, if necessary, include any additional materials or supplementary information that support the research proposal, such as research instruments, questionnaires, consent forms, or relevant data sources. Overall, the structure of a research proposal for a title related to English literature should be clear, concise, and well organized, presenting a compelling case for the significance and feasibility of the proposed research study. Each section should be carefully crafted to provide a detailed overview of the research topic, methodology, and expected outcomes, demonstrating the researcher's ability to conduct a rigorous and meaningful study in the field of English literature.